Most businesses fail before they ever launch, and almost none of them fail because the idea was bad. They fail because the founder built something nobody actually needed. That one mistake wipes out nearly half of all new businesses by year 5. So before you spend a single dollar, let's talk about what starting a business actually looks like when you do it right. First, a business is not a logo, a name, or an app. A business is one thing, solving a problem that someone will pay money to have fixed. No payment, no business, just a hobby. That exchange your solution for their money is the whole engine. Everything else is decoration until that part works. So step 1 is finding and confirming a real problem. Here's the analogy that makes this click. Starting a business is like baking a cake for a school bake sale. Before you bake 50 cakes, you walk around and ask a few classmates if they'd actually buy one. And for how much, if nobody wants it, you change the recipe first. You do not rent a commercial kitchen before you've sold a single slice. In real business terms, that means talking to 10 to 20 real potential customers before you build anything. Ask them about their problem, not your solution. Listen more than you talk. This costs nothing and tells you whether real demand exists. Once you know people want the thing, step 2 is building your MVP, your minimum viable product. An MVP is just the smallest, simplest version of your offer that a real customer can actually pay you for. It is not a finished product. It is a learning tool. Done beats perfect here, every single time. Step 3 is handling the basics. You need a legal structure. A sole proprietorship is the simplest. An LLC protects your personal stuff if something goes wrong. A corporation is for bigger operations. Most places let you register in a single day. You also need to know your break-even point. That's the amount of money coming in each month that covers all your costs. Cash flow, meaning money in versus money out, kills more early businesses than bad products do. Know that number before you quit your day job. Step 4 is getting your first customers. The best product in the world fails if nobody knows it exists. Pick one channel, social media, referrals, cold outreach ads, and work it consistently. One channel done well beats 5 channels done badly. And now the part that should genuinely stick with you. The version of your business that actually works almost certainly does not exist in your head right now. Every successful company started as a series of small experiments that kept adjusting until they found what customers really wanted. You do not need the right idea to start, you need the right process to find it.